Hi friends, welcome back to Cyclone TV India. So lightning strikes are very much common nowadays in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and more than 200 people are killed in lightning strikes this year. Means more people are killed in Bihar than other states. So this is an awareness drive about lightning. So let us see. So what does it say? On 16th April 2020, 41,000 lightning strikes occurred in India, causing 89 deaths from 11 states, in which Rajasthan alone having 25 deaths in a single day, whereas 32 died in Bihar and 16 people died in Madhya Pradesh. On 25th June 2020, 83 people died in Bihar and 24 people died in Uttar Pradesh due to lightning strike. This was the recent one. Okay. Above two events are evidence for the one of the 2,000 people will die due to lightning strike. In India, northeastern, central and south Indian states are more prone for lightning strike, and they are Bihar, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Telangana. The Marathwada area of Maharashtra has the highest death incidence in India, annually 300 deaths, followed by northeastern part of India. Okay. According to National Crime Records Bureau, there were 8684 deaths of human by natural calamities in 2016. Among them, 38.2% deaths are due to lightning strike, 15.4% deaths are due to heat and sunstroke, 8.9% deaths are due to flood. One more study indicates that among natural calamity, deaths 40% are due to lightning strike, 24% are due to extreme rainfall, 20% are due to extreme warm weather, and 15% are due to extreme cold weather conditions, indicating lightning strikes is the largest contributor of natural calamity related deaths in India. Deaths are more in rural part compared to urban parts, and most of them are taken shelter under the tree. In sex differentiation, male deaths are more compared to female due to more livestock, due to more outdoor exposure of male as a part of occupation. Among people, farmers and livestock caretakers with animals are first victims in lightning strike due to more outdoor exposure. So, lightning strike awareness is the need of the hour for the safety of humans as well as animals, especially those who are at outdoor work involving animal husbandry and agriculture. Every year, 26,000 people will die due to lightning strikes in the world. In India, according to National Crime Records Bureau, nearly 2,500 people succumb to death due to lightning strike. In the United States, death rate due to lightning strikes is due to less number of people working in outdoor area. Pre-monsoon months like April and in monsoon June month is the peak of lightning incidence month. I also think so. So this is the table showing the number of human deaths in particular years. So in 2009 the deaths were 2113. In 2010 it was 2662. In 2011 it was 2550. In 2012 it was 2263. In 2013 it was 2833. In 2014 it was 2582. In 2015 it was 2641. In 2016 it was 1489, means it was significantly lesser. In 2017 it was 2057. In 2018 it was 2300. In 2019 it was 1311. It was also significantly lesser than the previous. And 2020 means till now there are 206 deaths due to lightning strikes in India. So the effects of lightning strike on animal husbandry. According to research paper by Global Lightning Death Fatalities by Donald L. Hole in 2016 in India, every year 1755 animals' death are due to lightning strike. According to some experts, the death rate in animals due to lightning strike is approximately 6 times than that of human deaths. Among animals, ruminants are most prone and mice have less risk for lightning incidents. Every year, thousands of sheep and goats die due to lightning strike with or without shepherds' death reported in India. In India, death of bullocks with or without farmers, death of cattle, buffalo, especially grazing livestock, having more reported incidences. Even zoo animal deaths due to lightning strike are reported. But still, it's neglected event in relation to more animals' death and huge economical loss compared to other natural calamities like flood, earthquake, etc. Again, in human deaths, 70% deaths are related to farmers, agricultural laborers, and livestock caretakers. Risk is more to farm community due to more outdoor exposure. Revenue development issues compensation of INR 4 lakh to 5 lakh for human death and INR 25,000 for bullock, cow, buffalo, bull, and INR 5,000 for sheep by state government. Even though government is giving ex gratia, still also lot of loss to farmers in terms of animals and also loss of life for farmers. Farm laborers, livestock caretakers is big loss to country. So creating awareness is the need of the hour to save the life of farming community as well as animals. And the role of veterinarian in lightning strike awareness. Veterinarian is the only government gazetted officer who gives service to farmers' doorstep. Veterinarians always had good interaction with farmers and livestock caretakers during daily routine activities like sick animal treatment, vaccination, deworming, etc. So veterinarians should initiate the extension activities and awareness programs related to lightning strike for farmers during animal death camps, animal health camps, vaccination camps, Kisan Samparka Sabha and Gram Sandarshana like departmental activities along with routine work. Another important work is by conducting post-mortem examination of due to lightning strike and related activities to support the farmers in getting the ex gratia amount as per government orders. Also writing awareness articles in local newspapers in regional languages and by giving awareness talks in radio and television about preventive measures on lightning strike including treatment of survival animals. So the precaution measures against lightning strike to safeguard the human and animal life there means you know already, or if you not, whenever there are thick black color clouds are seen, farmers, agricultural laborers, especially livestock farmers with animals should move to safer places like to home or indoor environment. While raining, don't take shelter under trees because wet and tall trees are good conductors of electricity, so they will attract the lightning strikes. Yes. Agriculture wet fields also acts as a good conductors of electricity during rain. So working in the field should be avoided during rainy as well as thick cloudy environment. Grazing of animals should be avoided. Animals should not be tied to electricity pole or any metal pole during rainy as well as cloudy environment. No human or animal should be in the water body during rainy as well as cloudy environment. Deactivate or switch off the electrical instruments as soon as heavy rain, thunder and lightning likely to occur. Avoid touching of metal objects like metal wire or pipes during rain. Even don't take shower bath during heavy rain. More than 2-floor buildings should be adopted with safety lightning rod. Avoid standing near window and doors. Yes. No insulator materials will give protection against the lightning strike. So indoor environment only saves the life. If you are in the field, then quickly acquire the lowest profile by crouching down, so that you should not be the target for lightning because lightning always hits the taller objects. You know already. Yes. Agriculture work like plowing, sowing should not be done in thick, heavy, cloudy environment. Even without rain, lightning strike can occur. Yes. Even without rain, lightning strike can occur anytime. Yes. Avoid open animal shelter in open grounds and in the top of hills in rainy season, especially in cloudy environment, and also avoid cattle shed repair. Carrying metal rods and umbrella increases the risk of lightning strike. Avoid contact with bicycle and farm metal equipment, tractors, motorcycles. Don't tie animals to tall trees. Keep animals away from water bodies, solar plants, mobile towers. These things will increase the risk of lightning strike. During heavy raining, seek shelter in building, but don't touch any metal pipes, wires. Switch off all electrical instruments. If you take shelter in car, don't touch any metal parts. Don't allow children to play in ground during cloudy environment. Avoid outdoor activities during cloudy weather. Areas like animal shed, warehouses, agricultural markets, cottage industries, intensive labours, working areas like special economical zones should be adopted with safety lightning rods with protective measures. So, this was the awareness drive which we are talking about. So welcome back, and this was an awareness drive about lightning strikes in India. So keep watching our channel and subscribe our channel for the latest updates and press the bell icon so that you can get all latest notifications of our videos. Thanks for watching.